Hi everybody, this is Bong Angeles live here in Pocatello, Idaho. I don't know how many degrees is it right now, but it's freezing cold. And the snow is probably like 4 inches or 3 inches, something like that. It's so deep. So I hope everybody are gonna enjoy my video because I'm gonna shovel and shovel and shovel and shovel the little girl. Sorry, so deep. So deep. Dip. Thank you. Sorry, audience. Ang malimking, oh. Wait lang. Tayo sa park. Habulan tayo sa park. Ready?
Tapos na ba?
Okay, I love you everybody. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mwah! Here too, on the road of Calgary.